crow's nest.
This is accessible room 6281, the balcony room. Got the wider door. The higher vanity top, so you can roll your wheelchair right underneath there. Over here is your cabinet. It's got two twin beds. And these new lamps have both a USB and a C connector on them. I notice the various light switches and stuff over here on the back by the headboards. Coming from the beds, walking over here. Here's your bathroom. And you'll notice there's no step like other bathrooms on the cruise ship. You can roll right in. Again, the sink is up higher. There's your toilet, grab bars. In the shower, you can roll right in. And there's a seat for you to sit on. And the shower head is adjustable, and it is a shower curtain, but I don't think you really want a glass door. Leaving the bathroom, coming over here is the closet. And up here are your hangers, and there's a shelf. There's your life jacket or your life vest, shelf. More hangers down low. Turning to the left is your balcony. Oh, sorry, you can't access it right now. But anyway, it's a nice balcony, nice and long. Yeah, it's got a couple of chairs out there and a table, a lot of room. And it's also flat. You can roll your wheelchair or scooter right out there onto it. And again, here's a shot of the doorway. You can see how wide it is.